We purchased the property near 4 years ago.
What a beauty, Californian bungalow.
I don't have any fears about what's about to happen.
It is a bit nerve-wracking for me having to walk away because I do like a bit of control.
So this is currently the main bedroom. This will become half bathroom, half entrance.
Next to our bedroom, you've got one of my son's bedrooms.
So this bedroom remains.
Yes.
And we won't go and have the internal door system.
No.
Oh, that's the other room, the connecting rooms.
Well, let's pretend we never spoke of it.
Okay.
There will not be a joining door.
The changes to this property are going to be quite significant.
All we have to go off is their track record.
And I feel like their track record on all their past houses have been amazing.
Got a good thing coming, and it's all I need, everything I wanted.
There is one part of the house that really hasn't changed a lot, and that would be 2 of the 3 kids' bedrooms. So basically in those spaces, all we've done is we've closed off a doorway that connected the 2 rooms. You don't.
Look at the wall there.
Here.
Oh, wow.
Oh, that looks so cool.
Doesn't it look amazing?
Yeah. So this is good. This is a good sized room.
Yeah, it's amazing. This is cool.
Well, she's got that big opening at the moment.
Yeah.
That's all the light coming in.
But she'll still have an opening.
It's the back.
That opening remains.
Yeah.
And then this is that internal
Yeah.
courtyard garden
Yeah.
here, which will be beautiful.
Yeah.
It's a good thing. Hey, good thing.
Now we've positioned the main bathroom in this property at the front of the house. It might be a little bit unorthodox, but after many iterations of the floor plan, this is the best place for it, and we truly believe it is. So when you come into the bathroom here, it's quite a traditional size. It's a family bathroom. There are a family of 5 here, 3 little kids. So we have a bath, we have a toilet, we have a single vanity here, and we have a lovely generous sized walk-in shower. So the 2 main features that I love about this bathroom are we went with another skylight up here. Love a skylight in a bathroom, love a skylight anywhere in fact, but particularly in here so it's over the shower. And then we've actually put a new window in here. So the more light you can get in your bathroom, the better. Inside of this brick wall is 2 bedrooms. They were previously the 2 boys' bedrooms. They are going to remain 2 bedrooms. I might just show you one really cool feature in one of the kids' bedrooms here. So this bedroom here is the 4 walls are in the same spots that they were. The window's remaining in the same spot. We're building a robe in here. This window was here previously, the window is remaining, but this window used to go to a sunroom. So I think the previous owners must have tacked on a sunroom. So at one point in time, this was the rear wall of the house. This was the external of the house. What we've decided to do is build in this beautiful internal green space, but we've decided to keep the window. So essentially from this bedroom, you can see straight down into the lounge room. But obviously, as I pointed out to them, we need window coverings for privacy.
Let's go. Let's go. Hello. Let's go. Let's go. Hello, hello, hello. Let's go.
All right, so we were just talking the other day with the tiler. We want whatever the tile is here to match up here, and continue all the way, but we want the full tile to be at the bottom of the hub. Oh, sorry, the apron.
So I think we've got to start there and go down.
Yes. And then same.
Start there and go up. So you'll have it cut off.
No, you've got to pick and choose. Where do you start? Do you start here or here with your full? 'Cause
both.
it might not.
No, you
it
can't
might
because
not
then
marry
this is
up.
not going to match that.
No, well you do start here. This is ground zero. You start here with a full tile.
Yeah.
And then that determines how it wraps around the wall. And start there and go
so
down.
Really, this just needs to be the width of 2 tiles or 3 tiles, whatever it might be.
Plus whatever's up here, like taking that into account.
And look, just so you know, I could totally have that all wrong. This is basically the colour of your jacket. Look at that.
Oh wow, it's nearly identical, isn't
Are
it?
you sure you're not choosing paint colours that you like to wear and that's it?
Yeah. So this is for the little boy's bedroom.
Yep.
And it's a combination, we want to do a combination of kind of those dusty blues with the dirty greens. Might chuck in a yellow.
In the one room?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm loving the sound of that.
Yeah, okay, so this is Dulux Scallywag Half. This is the main colour of the whole entire house.
Well, I love whoever clearly marked it to ensure no confusion. And I know that wouldn't have been you.
no.
Yeah, Bon, aren't these blues all too a bit,
Yeah, they're all
bit
probably
too
a bit
intense, aren't they?
Oh,
Oh, that one's nice, actually.
that one's nice. And then, could you just add that dark green?
They look so different down with the light on the ground to up
Yeah.
now. They look
Well, that's the thing. Vertical
Oh,
plane and
yeah.
horizontal plane give completely different colours.
totally.
Anyway, we'll work that out.
All right. Well, let me know when you'd like my opinion.
Okay.
Have you seen the tiles? I haven't seen them. Look at it. Oh, hang on. I thought this was texture. It's plastic peeling off. I just thought this was an added. Oh, look at the tiles. They're not the tiles. Oh my God. Hey, look, the tiles underneath are just as good. Stop it. Okay, sorry. Yeah, they're amazing, aren't they? Like the actual tiles are amazing. Not and I'm assuming this is just porcelain.
It's porcelain,
It's
but
not
look at
real
the
travertine.
look at the travertine holes in it.
Porcelain
Look at it.
has come such a long way. It's
It
unbelievable.
really has come such a long way. I mean, wow. Are you just checking your nails
Yeah,
again?
I was just going to say, could we get a close-up on the nails? I just am not sure we'll get another chance. These are the stick-on nails from Kmart for $5, and we stuck them on about 20 minutes ago.
She really wants to get her money's worth.
Yeah, so, and just... There we go, okay.
Okay, so then we come into
Showerland.
double shower land.
Beautiful.
Which is
What's
amazing.
this, the fluted window? Where's that going?
That is there.
Oh, beautiful.
Yeah, so we went fluted in here
Oh,
instead of,
it looks stunning.
It looks beautiful, doesn't it?
Fluted's the new frosted.
It is. The first little boy's bedroom, originally we had, because we've got that beautiful interim detailing that goes around the whole entire room, so we knew we wanted to have a striped effect in that room. And now the guys from Beacon have installed all the lights and fans. We can truly see how it's going to look in the space.
Check
Look
it
at
out! Oh! Look at the colours! Hello, hi Steve.
Hi. Oh, hello again.
Long time no see.
I know. OMG. Beautiful. Oh, like the interim.
I was about to say all the interim detailing.
Yeah,
I mean, you're obsessed with that, I gotta say.
I know.
Like you
I love it.
almost can't do a room without it. You
No,
love it
I
that
know,
much.
because it adds such detail to a room. You know, like this is a kid's room. It's supposed to be fun.
Oh, the ceiling, the arcs, the skirting.
And how absolutely beautiful is that colour?
Yeah, well, it's the same as next door, but
Yes.
here. I can't believe we haven't used it before because
No,
it's
I
so
know.
beautiful.
It is. It's really lovely. And it works so beautifully with Scallywag Half.
It does. Honestly,
Really nice.
the family are not going to recognise this.
Do you remember what it looked
I
like?
do.
Like, honest to gosh, I would die if I
Yeah.
walked into this house.
Yeah. I cannot wait.
Oh, I can't wait either. It's just going to be
The best.
I love this house.
Yeah, it's beautiful. Well,
I
and it's
love it.
only half done.
I know, and I love it.
I got myself into a little situation.
So originally in the boys' bedroom with all the interim detail, we had 3 colours and it was a lot, I gotta say. It's a beautiful blue-green, we had a yellow in between, and then the neutral that's kind of throughout the house. It's the like Scallywag Half.
So we painted it and we did that and we looked at it, and then I was like, oh, no, it needs to go. And I suppose that's the beauty of paint. It was, didn't take him long at all to get rid of those, whatever it was, 2 stripes or 3 stripes. We looked at it, it didn't work, and I think we made the right decision.
So we decided to stick with the Dulux Scallywag Half and the Moreland for a more sophisticated look.
I think this main bathroom is one of the most appealing bathrooms we've done. I mean, what's not to like? The colour palette is so calm. The beautiful soft green tiles with then all the warmth of the travertine look tiles and the colours, the timber tones of the Reese vanity, the tapware. The layout is so obvious with the bookends of the bath and the shower. So I think this bathroom is just a tick, tick, tick.
Look at this handle from Domino. Isn't it beautiful?
I love it.
Like if you ever need to add character to any door, this one's got a lot of character, but amazing. Look at the detailing of it.
No, and it's nice and firm.
It is. It's
And
very nice.
you know what? It's a great match to the Reese tapware.
I know. And they're not even the same company.
And that's hard to do.
That doesn't happen often.
I know, that is a really nice match.
It is, it's beautiful.
I love it. And the lock, always want a lock.
And the toilet, yes, essential.
Oh, well, you don't like locks.
Actually, I don't.
No, yeah.
So if you're renovating or styling bedrooms and maybe bathrooms, you could save so much money with the Three Birds Dream discount card, because we have gone and negotiated these amazing discounts with fabulous suppliers on everything you need for bedrooms and bathrooms. We're talking beds, bed linen, side tables, tiles, tapware, everything you need for your home. These are partners and suppliers that we think are fabulous. So you can shop with confidence and save every single day.
Doing it right. Doing it all day and all night.
I truly believe that Britt and Craig are just going to be overwhelmed, overjoyed, excited. Like I can hear her squeals now.
I'm doing it right.
And what's extra special for us is when they brought us to the property and we decided to work on this with them, they were a family of 4 and they're now a family of 5. So we really feel like we've been part of their family journey and we're about to deliver their family home back to them, and I cannot wait.
Whoa. Wow, Annie.
Look at this little table that you can do all your
little
homework
desk.
on.
Wow. It absolutely feels completely different. Everything feels different about it, and it's beautiful because they're actually really sort of, that both of them, without, you know, not knowing our children that well, they suit them to a T.
Wow, buddy.
I'm obsessed with these bed heads in that room too. They're so cool.
Yeah.
The bed heads are phenomenal. Like they're so cool, and they're different. You know, they're not, you know, just carbon copy of each other. I just love that they've kept that big window in Rupert's room.
Yeah, they can grow up in those rooms, and they're not babies' rooms. They're
Little boy rooms.
little boy rooms. They'll become little men rooms. So.
My legs aren't big enough.
Oh, they'll get big enough one day.
We've got no idea about styles, so we would have never been able to provide that for them ourselves. So the fact that they've done that for us is, you know, they're very lucky. Wow.
It's your bath. Yeah.
Artwork in the bar, skylight.
Craig,
Yeah.
this is,
That's it.
oh my God, I can't wait.
Relax time.
There's so much
Yeah.
room in here.
Yeah.
Like you've done such an amazing job with the space, because, you know,
Yeah.
when I think about that this is half my bedroom, I can't
Yes.
believe that what you've done here.
Yeah.
Like, I just think it's hard to say how it's going to change our lives because I haven't lived it yet, but I just know it's going to completely transform us as a family, the way we are as people, as parents, and how we live our lives. I was saying before, I feel like I have imposter syndrome. I can't believe that we're going to live here.
Oh, I still feel like that after living in mine for however long. Yeah. It's
like, whose
surreal.
house is this? It's
Yeah.
beautiful.
Yeah.
I think it'll create better family time for us. So it's been quite the build-up, and we've had hundreds of conversations about what are they going to do and what is it going to look like.
Yeah.
And then now we're here and we're like, this is better than anything I could have imagined.
I can't see the front door currently, but I know we'll be putting one in.
Rather than entering the house from the front, you sort of walk around to the side.
Yeah,
And this becomes the main entrance. Look
Yeah.
at the brickwork. Oh my gosh.
just before you head downstairs into the extension, we've got the toilet. So this is the powder room. There's one more big thing we're doing to the place, which is
Putting a carport in.
Yes.
Oh.